Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this item here. It is a phone backup device. Has some icons in, not sure what language is this. Chinese maybe? Phone backup device, alright. Let's open it up. Put the other side down, but there it is. There's some instruction mail. Everything so far. Oh, here you go. Here's some English right here. Right in this bag. The actual device here. Okay, guessing this is a light here. You can insert your USB hard drive, your TF card or micro SD. Here's to charge it or connect it to your phone. One of them connects. This one connects to your phone by USB A or USB C. And to charge it while it's backing up your files. If you open up here, we have some cables. So we have a USB to USB. This is a USB A to USB C, and then 2 slots for micro SD. And I believe that's it. Okay. And we always have a cable with you. Be nice if they had a lightning cable or micro as well, but that's fine. And there you go. It does not come with any storage. You have to add it yourself. So you can have this hooked up to your hard drive, and then when you come back from vacation or something, just plug it in and open the app apparently, and it automatically moves it over to your hard drive or your micro SD card. So yeah, that's it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.